Alright everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. Ali, thank you for this once again. I am using it all the time, every single day. It's awesome. Alright guys, I made this video because I wanted to share with you, in my opinion, right, this is just my personal opinion, how people can build better financial situation, right? Now, I've said this many times before, penny stocks are dangerous. They're going to lead guaranteed to people losing money, but we can play around with those once in a while. It's like, you want to have a healthy diet, but, once in a while you'll eat a snack you're not supposed to, or so on, chocolate, whatever. That's your penny stocks, once in a while. That's not part of your everyday healthy diet, in my opinion. That's just my opinion, guys. All right, so how I do it is every single year I try my best. Number one rule, like Warren Buffett says, the point of the game is to not lose money. The second is, guys, dividends. In any way, shape, or form, I can accumulate my dividends, whether that would be through exchange traded funds, through a stock. That's a must, to have dividend stocks and accumulate as many as I can in a diversified way as possible every year. But if I can combine together an investment in a company, in a stock, that the stock will rise through time, and at the same time I'll get paid dividends, and also the dividends rise, we're talking about the ultimate greatest investment, right? And I think I got one here. In fact, I'm very bullish on this, extremely bullish on this stock, on this company, and I'm going to share it with you. You can also join my Discord if you want. The link will be in there's a link permanently on the top of my YouTube channel, on the front page of the YouTube channel. So my Discord is called Bull Market Watch. You can join and you'll have access to what I buy and sell. You'll have access to a lot of tools that are really amazing to help you with trading. You'll have access to over 900 other traders, and you can share ideas with each other. I have so far called all these numbers, basically 256 stock picks that I called out in my Discord for my members if they wanted to consider them or not. They've already been sold profitable. 44 open positions only open right now, and 9 for a loss. So all those 256 are gone, so profitable. And those were called ahead of time. People knew about it before. I would tell them, hey, that stock at that price. I would also tell them a price entry is good and so on. And it turned out well, right? So that's pretty awesome. All right, so guys, the stock is Barings BDC Inc, ticker symbol BBDC. Allow me to explain the reason why. As I go through the video, if you think that the information I'm sharing with you is good, hit the like button. That would really be amazing. So please hit the like button. It doesn't cost anything at all. In fact, if you are shy about hitting the like button, just think about it. No one will ever know. All right, BDC, guys. BBDC. Yeah, BBDC is the ticker symbol. $8.74 as you see right now. It is trading, market cap at 930 million bucks. And for the year to date, so far this year in 2023, it's up 6.3%. That's not bad, right? We've been through a lot this year, a lot, insane stuff. The Federal Reserve is enough. The market, not doing well. Most stocks pretty much downwards, few sideways, and very few going up. So I think that's a pretty good year to date. So the company, Barings BDC Inc, it is a publicly traded, externally managed investment company that has elected to be treated as a business development company under the Investment Company Act of 1940. It seeks to invest primarily in senior secured loans, first lien debt, second lien debt. It specializes in things like leveraged buyouts, management buyouts. Financial performance, guys. In 2022, the company had a revenue of $219 million, as you can hear this. So this was for the year of 2022, which was an increase of 61%. That's awesome, compared to the previous year of $135 million. And their earnings were $4.68 million, a decrease of 93.9%. Don't be scared about that, to be honest, because it was still positive, right? So they were positive 4.68. They finished the year positive $4.6 million. In fact, since 2016, really, they finished the year positive every single year, except 2017 and 2018, which obviously we understand why. If we look a little bit about the company, Barings BDC, which is an externally managed business development company, like I said, aka BDC, it's investing primarily with its partnership through Barings LLC, a $351 billion global investment manager. BBDC also offers flexible financing solutions and resources in building long-term portfolios for the rich. All right, repurchase, guys. Boasting a top capital structure within defensive industries, BBDC has strong Q2 earnings showcased by an EPS of 31 cents, beating by 2 cents, and a revenue of $75 million, guys, which is beating by 35% year over year. This was the Q2 earnings of 2023. During Q2, the company repurchased also 1.4 million shares of stock at an average price of $7.75, and it raised its quarterly dividend by 4%. So we have a stunning Q2 earnings. We do 1.4 million in share repurchase. They offer their investors a quarterly dividend increase of 4%. If you look at the dividend, it's pretty awesome, guys. The dividend is very powerful. It's the dividend yield is 11.9%. 11.9%, $1.04 right now as it stands, annual dividend on a stock that's trading at $8 and has obviously immense potential of growth, right? And the dividend has actually been increasing. Everything about this stock just gets better and better and better as the video goes on. Like everything. If you look at the revenue here since 2014, you can see the revenue. You can look at the gross profit. It finished 2022 at 132 million. We can look at the operating income, positive 116 million. We can look at the total debt is at 1.4 billion. Total debt, okay, fine. Here's one negative. We can look at a negative, and that's that the total debt just grows insane. That's a big growth every year. Someone's going to be like, hey, Mike, what are you talking about? Why are you talking about this stock? The dip is manageable. It's manageable, and it's proven by the fact that every year they finish on the positive note, right? The earnings are on the positive side. So it sucks that it's growing, but they are managing this perfectly fine. Now, if we look at the analyst ratings, so the analysts are giving it a low of $9, an average of $9.75, and a high of 11, and the stock is trading at 8.74. When I share a video with you guys, that is not a video with the intention or to tell you that you should invest in this. You should never ever buy anything you see in my videos at all. If you're going to buy this stock, you should buy it first after doing your own due diligence, your own homework, and you decided independently on your own that it is good or not, right? So that's that. I want to share this information with you. I think that for me, this is a pretty awesome investment. It's going to be a slow mover, nothing explosive. But sometimes, especially when, you have money that you don't want to lose, you're not willing to risk it, right? And just go in circles with penny stocks and sideways and all that stuff. You want to increase your money, right? And if you start accumulating a lot of dividends in a diversified way, it'll get sticky. You're gonna like it. Don't forget to hit the like button. I wish you guys all the best and take care.